Inside the villa, it's a living room. Got a smart TV. Got super fast Wi-Fi. 2 double bedrooms. Bedroom 1. Both have access to go to the garden. You can go to the garden, so. And the wardrobe and the bed. Air conditioned. And the villa has got direct access. The pool's only like about 5 metres from the villa. It's got a private garden as well at the back. Villa, no, this is bedroom number 2. Same again. And you've got the access to the back. It's a back garden and a fishing lake at the back and an outside kitchen. If you want an office desk, if you want to work for the office, the villa, we can give you an office desk, no problem at all. You can put it in. This is a small kitchen, just for maybe, if you don't want to go in the garden late at night, you can make coffee, tea and toast. It's got a rice cooker. And then here, takes you back out to the garden. We'll cut the grass now. And at the back here, there's an outside kitchen with an oven and rice cooker and all the pots and pans. And you've got a garden, a fenced garden here. And if you want a table here, we can put a table here for you as well. And up, you go out this way, you've got washing machine. And you've got direct access to go to the swimming pool. And here you've got a place you can sit in here, relax in here. And an outside kitchen as well. So if you're at the pool and you want to have something to eat, then you can come here and you can make something to eat here. And there's toilets and showers. If you've got more people staying, you want extra toilets, there's 2 toilets here and a shower and places to eat. There's a barbecue at the back and a fish pond and private parking for your cars. The pool is open till 8 o'clock at night, so you can go there all day or all night, it's up to you. And then so that's even round the pool. There's an inside kitchen beside the office. It's got a massive kitchen dining room. It's more for catering. It's got a lot of it's a big kitchen. So that's the dining room once again. Table for sitting down for your breakfast. And here, to this side, there's no pool. There's just a big garden full of fruit trees. But nice, nice villa. This bedroom's the same, just you've got street access to go out to the garden. You can just sit here, drink your beer, and then that's your view from the side. Then same again, from here to the pool's only 5 metres. Okay. So you can book it for 1 week, or you can book it for 1 day if you want to try it. Weekly, you can book it for a week, you can book it for a day. So there's no problem. There's private parking as well, but the parking spaces are all undercover. So that's included as well. So you can look it up on Google. Lots and lots of people come to visit. So you can see reviews on it, and lots of people have stayed. There's Udon Country Club as well. So we've got two units down the back of the fishing lake. So that's the 2-bedroom villa. The 1-bedroom villa's down the back is similar, but it's booked till another maybe 2 weeks. I'll make a video and I can show you that. That's the parking for the undercover parking. We stock water for 50 baht a packet, lots of crisps, and you can buy snacks and that, lots of different beers and flavoured drinks. Oh, tea and laundry service as well. It's a larger kitchen if you want to come in, and dining room. This kitchen you can use as well, and outside the kitchen we have facilities for washing machines, so if you need to wash clothes, no problems at all. You can do it yourself or the girls can do it for you. There's washing machines. Washers here, 20 baht to wash your clothes. The resort's extensive garden, so very nice and relaxing. Extensive fruit gardens, front and the back. Down the back we've got a fishing lake as well. But all in all, a nice villa and nice gardens. So you'll enjoy it here. It's open. The villas are ready to rent. All year round we've got them. And the more popular they are, they will start to build more at the back. So that's the 2-bedroom villa. For rent, per day, per week, per month.